Do you love the smell of a walk through the woods? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth, and I'm going to tell you all about Cedarwood Essential Oil. We'll talk about how to use it, how it works, and make sure you know how to use Cedarwood Essential Oil safely. Cedarwood's natural oil components can help repel insects. Cedarwood has been used throughout history to create chests to store paper and clothing to help keep them safe from insects. Native Americans use cedarwood to help alleviate respiratory congestion. If you put it in the diffuser, you'll notice that if you're feeling congested, that mucus will start loosening up and it'll become easier to breathe. Cedarwood essential oil is also great in skincare. It has a soothing effect on the skin. It can help alleviate redness and will feel really nice when you use it topically. You can use cedarwood essential oil to help you relax. I like to put it in the diffuser before I go to bed because it'll help relieve stress for a great night's sleep. If you go to the Simply Earth website, you'll notice two cedarwood essential oils, Cedarwood Himalayan and Cedarwood Atlas. Both of these oils have very similar properties. Today I'm focusing on Cedarwood Himalayan. Himalayan has a slightly sharper scent and it's considered better for congestion and emotional support. Let's talk about how cedarwood essential oil works. We know an oil works by looking at its history and by looking at its natural chemical components. Cedarwood's main chemical component is alpha-cedrine. This chemical helps create its aroma and give its properties. Let's make sure you know how to use cedarwood essential oil safely. It's generally non-irritating on the skin, just make sure to dilute it before putting it on your skin. It's safe to use with kids aged 2 and up. This oil is generally considered safe to use around cats and dogs, but always be mindful of your pet's behavior and leave the door open so that your pet can leave if the aroma disturbs them. I'm Katie, thanks for watching. Remember to hit subscribe to get more great videos to learn how to use essential oils.